What's up, everybody? We got, what do we got? We got Thursday, 5 o'clock in the evening. It is 84 degrees. We got Joe over here. What's up, Joe? How are you, baby?
I'm good.
You're good?
Getting darker by the minute.
Oh, you look great. Yeah, we've been out in the sun. It's been a sunny adventure here. Still out in Camotes Island, but man, check this guy out, guys. We got an epic sunset tonight. We're gonna fly the drone here, see if we can get some drone footage. We're heading home tomorrow, unfortunately, but I mean, I don't know. I'm asking people about real estate. I'm asking people about rentals out here. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's just epic. I mean, look around. Look around. I think there's a good view out this way with the beach and the palms, but I mean, it's in the motorcycle riding is great out here. I'm a huge fan of this island. I really am, and would love to live out here. So anyways, we'll see. Tied in through December. After December, anything's fair game in the Philippines, right?
Yeah, play it by ear since you changed your mind.
Yes, changed my mind a lot. I think out loud.
Yeah.
So, but what do you think? What are your thoughts on Camotes Island?
Yeah, so far it has been a good trip. So
Yeah.
I liking it. Yeah, the roads also, and the caves, and the beaches, and the water.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of caves. We've done like, I don't even know, we did, I think, four.
We didn't do the last one yet. The
Right,
Heaven
so there's
Cave.
one left that we didn't do.
Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, it's just beautiful out here, guys. So we'll see if we can get some drone footage. We're out here for the sunset, our last night here before we head back, but just really beautiful. So yeah, let's show you this direction, right? I mean, look at that. That's,
The octopus slide.
well, no, I'm showing them the sunset.
Oh, okay.
They've been seeing the octopus slide. Now they're seeing the sunset.
Okay.
Yeah, but look, I mean, it's just gorgeous. It's absolutely unbelievable. All right, guys, back in a little bit. Let's see if we can get the drone up. So I'll put in some drone footage right here too. Guys, we're out here. Had to flip on the camera again because the sunset is just unbelievable. It's just amazing. Just absolutely amazing. And yeah, look at that. Man, just gorgeous. I'm gonna get some stills. These are iPhone stills too, by the way. I don't have my good camera here. Just beautiful. Yeah, just epic. Beautiful sunset. So Cebu is just off to our left down there. You know, kind of in that hazy area, but just really beautiful scene here. What do you think, Joe? Could you live out here? Yeah. And that water, I mean, you just so clear, right? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, Joe?
Super.
I agree. Sit down here and dangle our feet over the edge. Wow.
Breathless.
Yeah, it is. It's absolutely
Speechless.
breathtaking. You're right.
Breathtaking.
Mm. Where are we off to next, Joe? Where's our next adventures? What are we going to be doing?
I don't know, Bohol?
You want to take that for a second?
Bohol, Siquijor,
Bohol or Siquijor?
Bacolod.
Bacolod?
You were planning to go.
Where else?
So far, oh, yeah. You were also thinking about Palawan?
Yeah, that would be nice. I want to go back to Bohol.
Yeah.
I also want to do,
I think I'm more to going Bohol than Siquijor first.
yeah, same.
Yeah, Bohol
Well,
would be
I think from Bohol, we could easily get to Siquijor.
that too. Yeah,
Right?
after Bohol, we
Yeah.
could go to Siquijor.
What do you think, though? Could you live out on Camotes? Or would you get bored?
I will maybe get bored.
You'd get bored?
Yeah. Maybe
Yeah.
a month or I don't know.
Yeah, that's a good question, too, then. How long would it take you to be out of here before you would get bored, do you think?
Maybe a month.
Yeah, after a month, you'd be like, get me out of here? I think I could do... Well, if there's a gym right here, I don't know. I think I could live out here, actually. I could run. I could work out. I could just keep exploring these islands day after day and cruise around my motorcycle.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Maybe find ways to volunteer in the community, like with a school or something.
I also question the security safety here.
Do you?
Kind of, because I don't know the people.
Right.
And there's not much enforcement that I see around,
Mm-hmm.
like police or I don't
Nothing.
know.
There's none of that.
Yeah, exactly. So I'm kind of, worried about that.
If you feel worried for your safety here, you should not go to the United States.
I don't know. Just
Yeah, no, I understand. That's an interesting point.
and if emergencies, you can't just go fast or right away to Cebu, wherever you
Yeah.
have to wait for.
Well, there is a hospital here. We didn't hear,
Yeah,
So.
I did saw that. But I don't know.
Yeah, I love it. I really do. I'm a big fan of Camotes. I mean, this is just breathtaking right here.
This would be a nice picture or
Yeah.
a postcard.
Right? All right, guys. We're going to kick the rest of the sunset and watch it, but we'll be back in a little bit. Maybe back in Cebu. No. Back tomorrow in Cebu. Yeah. All right, guys. Back in a little bit.